Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57, and on this video I will be introducing you to Shemodern's newest product, which is their sheer powders in rainbow colors. These you can order them in packs of 4, and there's actually 14 colors available. 10 of them which are rainbow colors, as you can see here. This is a rainbow colors, and then 4 of them are more neutral, which is a brown, a white, a gray, and a black. I will have the link down in the description bar below so you guys can go check them out and see the names of the powders. But again, so they're called sheer powders. So for example, this one is called a sheer purple lilac. There you see it. Now what I'm going to do for this video, you're going to see me I'm going to do some LED lighting with these. Very beautiful design, and I will be using Shemodern's glue gel over my nails. So I hope you guys enjoy. And here are some other samples of the colors, guys. These are the rainbow colors over white polish. They look very pastel-like. This is just the blue and the red over silver, a glittery silver, nothing in the middle. And this is the neutral colors. Actually, I used the gray, the black, the gray, the brown, and the white with the Shemodern decal. Here's the final result. What do you guys think? I absolutely love how it turned out. So sheer and pretty. Yes, like I said, I put right over my nails. That's what I had, that overlay of, if you remember, I used the dip powders. I did not use any white polish. So this is a very light way of doing a manicure, because if you think about it, all I really have is the one coat of the glue gel and then the one coat of top coat. That's it. The stamping, I mean, that's almost like nothing, right? I stamped right on my bare nail. So that is all, you guys. If you have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Shemodern for sending me these gorgeous powders to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.